Do you get more pimples when stressed? Let's find out why. Hello, I'm Babak. Today we'll learn how stress affects your skin and how to clear it. Have you noticed more pimples when you feel worried or busy? This happens because stress changes your body's hormones. When stressed, your body makes more cortisol. Cortisol is the stress hormone, and cortisol can make your skin produce more oil. More oil can block pores and cause pimples. Stress can also make skin problems like eczema or psoriasis worse. These problems can make your skin more sensitive and itchy. Stress may slow down skin healing. How to keep your skin clear during stress. Tip 1. Maintain a simple skincare routine. Keep your skincare routine simple. Wash your face gently twice a day. Use a light moisturizer to keep skin hydrated. Tip 2. Don't touch your face. Try not to touch your face with your hands. Touching can spread bacteria and make pimples worse. Tip 3. Manage stress. Find ways to relax and reduce stress. Take deep breaths. Go for a walk. Talk to a friend. Tip 4. Get enough sleep. Sleep helps your body heal. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Tip 5. Eat healthy food. Eat fruits, vegetables, and drink water. Good food helps your skin stay clear. When to see a doctor? If your skin problems continue, it may help to see a doctor and they can offer treatment or advice. Stress can make your skin break out, but you can control it by taking care of yourself. You help your skin stay clear. Thank you for watching, and please share, like, and leave your thoughts below.